Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to Madani Islamic Academy Quran Tajweed course online. Viewers, today we will continue our lesson number 19 from Madani Qaida, and today we will learn the rule of Zaid Alif or additional Alif. What is Zaid Alif or additional Alif in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? We will learn in this lesson with example. Before starting our lesson, if you are new on my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's start the lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Viewers, in this lesson I will teach you what is the Zaid Alif or additional Alif in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran. What is the condition to pronounce the Zaid Alif or additional Alif in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? What is the Zaid Alif or additional Alif in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? Viewers, in some places of the Holy Quran, there is a circle sign shown as like this on Alif. This type of Alif is called Zaid Alif or additional Alif. In the Holy Quran, in some places there is a circle sign on top of the Alif. That Alif is called additional Alif or Zaid Alif. In other way, we can say any Alif which has this circle sign on it, that Alif is called Zaid Alif or additional Alif. What is the condition to pronounce the Zaid Alif or additional Alif in an Arabic accent or in the Holy Quran? In the following word, we do not pronounce Alif which has circle sign on it in terms of wasl and waqf both. This is the example of Zaid Alif. This is Zaid Alif because it has circle sign on it. This is called Zaid Alif. And in this word we do not pronounce this Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran in terms of wasl and waqf. We do not pronounce this Zaid Alif in case of wasl, and also we do not pronounce this Zaid Alif in case of waqf. Where you can find this word in the Holy Quran? You can find this word in the Holy Quran, para number 4, surah number 3, surah name Ale Imran, and ayat number 144. This is the place of this word in the Holy Quran. How do we pronounce this word without this Zaid Alif? Let's learn. Hamza Zabar A, Fa Zabar Fa, Afa, Hamza Noon Mim Zir Im, अफ़ा इम मीम अलिफ ज़बर म अफ़ा इम त ज़बर त अफ़ा इम त अफ़ा इम त अफ़ा इम त अफ़ा इम त. This is the example of Zaid Alif in the Holy Quran. Thanks for watching. Kindly share and like this video, and also I daily upload a video. Kindly visit my website madaniislamicacademy.com. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.